Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. And I really hope that you all have subscribed my channel. And those who have not subscribed yet, go to my channel and subscribe it as soon as possible. Okay, so today we will start our revision of chapter number 1 of geography, that is our environment. So let's start. Before proceeding to revision, let us discuss in a very precise manner the key terms of this chapter. First one is environment. Environment includes everything which is in our surroundings, or you can say that exists around in human or biological and physical form. Like, for example, table, chair, this house, building, trees, plants, everything will come under the environment. Okay, so next one is physical environment or a biotic environment. It includes the non-living things or non-living elements of the environment like soil, oxygen, rocks, and river. And with this types or with these examples, I can tell you that they are the non-living elements of the environment, whereas the living elements of the environment, we can say that plants, animals, and you can say human beings all will come under the natural environment or biotic environment. So the abiotic environment is that environment which includes non-living elements of the environment like soil, oxygen, rocks, rivers, etc. And this element of land, water and air which exist at a given place are components of a physical environment. Okay, so move on to next one, that is biotic environment. Make sure you should know that a biotic and biotic both environment comes under the natural environment. So, so biotic environment is living elements of the environment which includes plants, animals and human being or man which exist at a given place and the components of a biological environment. Okay, so natural environment is consist of elements provided by nature. Natural environment is that environment which is provided by nature like land, water, forest, plants, etc. And after that, human environment, which includes environment created by man using natural resources like roads, and they have used which natural resources for building the roads, that is land. Building also they have used land for build the building. Technology, institutions, so everything will come under the human environment. After that, move on to next one. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the uppermost layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. So it is the domain of land. Hydrosphere. It refers to all the water bodies on the earth's surface in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is that envelope of air that surrounds the earth. Next one is biosphere, which is a narrow belt of living things which includes all the remaining spheres, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. That is all the domains of land, water and air. And it includes the ecosystem as a whole. Next one is ecological system, a composite form of physical, biological and human environments in which all elements are interdependent and complementary to each other. That is ecological system. In this system, the natural and human environment both are interrelated and interdependent on each other for their existence and growth. So let us discuss the next topic, that is importance of all the spheres of the earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So let us discuss the very first one, lithosphere. We all know that the upper layer of the earth will come under or will cover the lithosphere, and it includes different landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains. It provides us land where we live and build our settlements, and also it is a great source of vegetation, that is doing agricultural activities, plus it is also a great source of wildlife in the form of, you can say, forest, and in last we can say that for the mineral wealth, which in the form of rocks. Okay, so next one is the crust is covered by a thin layer of soil, which is of great importance for life. And the next one is it provides us our three basic necessities of life, that is food, and next one is cloth, and the last one is shelter, that is home. Let us discuss the next one, hydrosphere importance. It provides water that all living things need to survive. We use water of the hydrosphere to drink, clean, cook, and for other household chores. And also it is useful in other activities like swimming, marine activities, fishing, etc. Plus, it is also a habitat for aquatic animals, like it provides us prawns, etc., fish also. And in last, I can say that it is useful as a means of transport for taking goods from one place to another through ships. Now, importance of atmosphere we will discuss. Now, in this, we should know that, and I think we all know that through this atmosphere, we are breathing, right? Because this air consists of many gases, and in one of the gases known as oxygen, which is necessary for breathing. Okay, so next one point is it contains of ozone layer, which protect us from ultraviolet rays of sun, which is very harmful. That harmful ultraviolet rays of sun protects this layer of the earth, that is atmosphere. Also, it acts as a blanket which prevents the earth from becoming too hot during the day and too cold during the night. So in short, we can say that it maintains and balances the climate of the earth during day as well as night. In last, we will discuss the biosphere importance, and we can say that it consists of both living organisms and products of their activities are found. So it plays an important role in maintaining the ecosystem. Also, it plays important role in the mutual interactions between the human as well as natural environment. One more thing I would like to add on, that is biosphere provides us nutrients, great nutrients as well as resources to all living organism. And this biosphere consists of different natural ecosystems, and in this ecosystem there are many processes like food chain, and you can say water cycle, etc. Okay, so revise this chapter, and I'll take this test of this chapter as soon as possible. So go through this chapter again and again and revise it thoroughly. So till then, take care of yourself and complete the exercise. Plus, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it, and